What do we do? I can get used to this. Yes, so we're back here at Assured Auto Body visiting our friend Josh, who earlier sent me photos of progress on our spoiler for the Supra. So the downshift blue, there's actually only one paint code for it, no variations or anything, so it was pretty easy for us to paint match. I'll bring you guys inside and show you guys this little shop. Woo! Body pieces are painted. Oh, okay. I thought that was like the finish. Damn. Awesome, so these are the pieces that I can take home?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, can we check that out?
Yeah.
Yes. Dude, I was super excited to see this. God damn. Ooh, ooh. Holy crap, dude. Oh, and there's the caps too.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
So what I did with these ones, I painted the back black.
Okay.
It's just it's just a primer.
Yeah.
And then you can just stick your thing so it has something nice and smooth to stick that 3M on.
Yeah, that looks sick.
And that way it's like flush.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's way better. I've got this one, and this one. Okay, so I'll show you once we get out there. So these are 3 separate different ones.
I was talking to Josh, and for the carbon fiber deck lid centerpiece, since I don't really want to cover the carbon fiber, or no one really should, what I asked him to do was kind of spray it with like a translucent green, so that only in certain lights and certain angles you'll be able to see the green. Yeah, we're gonna show you some samples.
It looks good in the sun.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. Yes. Let's take it outside.
So this is that most trendy.
Jeez, man. But that means like you can't see it when it's like
when
this.
it's dark.
Exactly.
Like, you
so
won't
you
be
can
able
still
to
see
see
the
it. I think
carbon
that's
fiber.
I
Perfect.
think maybe that's what you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So maybe just a little bit more green.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Would we be able to do this, but like as translucent as that?
I could try. The green takes away from a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want it to be too much.
And like
you know?
this is mild pearl. Like I could add more green pearl to it, and it looked way better when there was sun. I got green.
Oh, that's all green.
So this is green and this is green. Yeah, that went very green. Holy. Almost got
the red. That's what they talk about.
Yeah, you see how when you turn it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called flop.
Word.
Like, okay, let's see. That's face.
Yeah.
That's flop. Yeah, so yours, you got blue pearl, some black, blue, violet, and then some
it
metallic.
does look purple in some angles.
Yes,
That's crazy.
some violet.
Anyone who needs body work or paint job done for their car, come to Assured Auto Body. This guy does high quality stuff. We actually ended up putting some rock guard on the side skirt part because this is prone to getting hit with rocks.
Here,
cool, mate.
These are from your
nice.
bumper.
Probably just
I don't want to lose them.
So usually when I plan to stay at the garage all day, or if I have like a lot of car stuff to do, I kind of feel bad bringing Gohan there, because then he's just kind of sitting around for like a couple of hours. But then I also have to dedicate like 10 to 15 minutes here and there, walking him out, taking him for breaks. After getting a puppy, I had to kind of reschedule. Aw, please, patience. Yeah, after getting this guy, I pretty much had to change up my entire life schedule. But for the better, you know? I find myself waking up earlier, going for daily walks, like twice a day sometimes. Yeah, keeps me on my toes, literally. Okay, can I trust you, Gohan? I'm not putting the leash on this guy, but I need him to travel from our porch to the Scion XB. Gohan. All right, bye-bye. No, car, yo, Gohan. Come here. Chill. Come Come in. Go on, come on, up. Good boy. So like I was saying, usually if I'm staying at the garage all day, I bring Gohan to my parents' house, aka your grandparent. Ooh. So today's plan, after I drop off this guy, is we're just gonna go check up on our body pieces that are getting painted by Josh. Think the spoiler, actually, for the Supra is ready to be picked up. We gotta come back here and pick up the Supra anyway. Ready? Oh, Gohan, nice. Come here. I still need to be able to discipline this kid. By the way, if you're wondering, you can actually get this new colorway of our staple hoodie, the KMR custom cut and sew. Like, it still comes with the thumb holes and everything, but new hood design, and it's on both sides. Super cool. We also made it available in purple too, so that purple, teal, and yellow are the new colors for our hoodies.
Hi, Gohan bebe. Hi, Gohan bebe. O, sige na. Kain na kami.
Through your window.
Bebe! Bumchi.
You're bumchi, bumchi, bumchi.
Watch out! Kainin siya dito sa pantry. Naghahanap siya kung ano kakainin.
What?
Bebe, oh.
Because there's so many different smells in there.
Bebe!
What do you smell?
Gohan chow-chowy!
Kumain na to?
A little bit, yeah.
Busog nito.
If you can see back there, we actually already picked up the bases for the super spoiler. Josh actually painted those a couple of days ago, but for the deck lid, I had this idea of painting over it. Not really painting the carbon. Well, I got this idea from this guy called Boogeyman on Instagram, and this happened during our trip in California, I think 2 years ago, when me, Derpy, and Gutu visited our friends, Battle Arrow, and then we all took a trip up the canyon, and then this random S2000 came out of nowhere.
Yeah, I can see the tent. That's crazy. And but you can still see the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
That's
Give me like a partial sponsorship. Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's cool.
On the carbon fiber parts, he actually glossed it over with a blue pearl. And I was like, I've never seen anyone do this. Just came to see if the deck lid was all dried up, so. Wow. Okay, so what I got Josh to do was, obviously you don't want to paint over the carbon. You want to keep that finish, right? So the other day I brought it over and I got him to lay down this light layer of green pearlescent that you can only see in certain angles, especially when it's like reflecting light. Oh, I'm so excited.
It looks way different than what we did on that test panel.
It's so subtle, like right under the sun, you can see it clearly. Yo, thank you. It looks good, man. Come down here and I just see this guy like going at it. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, it's one of those statues. Why do you even have that?
I don't know, Angus gave it to me.
When you guys want to help me bring my spoiler in, I guess we can just assemble it here. Dude, your shoes are just as neon as mine. Those are legit. Freaking hype beast over here. The finish on this deck lid is insane. One of those like super subtle things that you can only see if you go really close. I'll give her a wipe down inside. Oh, you can kind of see the green better in here.
You're right on that.
Damn.
Yeah. You're like worried that please come off.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, what's the truck? Yeah, that's cool.
Nice. So what, 64.5 Deerfoot North?
Yo, it's rocking the same seats as in my FRS. Just kidding, man. This is untouchable, bro. Close.
I only get to go pick my truck.
Right on.
Got a new exhaust put on my Lightning.
What do we do? All right, so the Lambo dealership just dropped off our new garage project. Only $250,000. Just kidding. This isn't ours. But I think Angus has to help fix it or something. Because the other day when we went for a cruise, we kind of pushed it. And some of the streets still weren't clear of pebbles. So some of the underneath of like the side skirt kind of got hit. My goal and I can get used to this. Crazy. Thank you. All right. I'm scared. We got a goal. Engage. Copy me, man. Looking at this paint job under a shop light, you can kind of see a bluish green, yellowish tinge. It's actually really cool. Wow, this is goals. Enough of that distraction. Well, it's not a distraction, you know? Yeah, it is. It did rain a little bit earlier today, so I was kind of just waiting until that passed. It's dry again, so I'm gonna bring my Supra over and we're gonna give it a quick wash down, and then we'll throw together this street hunter wing. I just can't get enough of that green pearlescent gloss. It's the little things. Mr. Sunny making space. And Clark still has his E30 here. Don't know what we're doing with that thing. I think that kid just picked up a Miata too. Like, it's perfectly good running E30 that's fully gutted. It's drift spec, like ready to be bashed around. Actually, it already has kind of been bashed. Yeah, I think that's the reason why he bought it in the first place, was his buddy got rear-ended. Other than that though, like, there actually isn't any frame damage at all. Oh, see a little dirt.
You guys are driving at what, 200?
Yeah, this guy has his front plate attached with Velcro. No, that's just for the dealer, man.
Where's Velcro?
I doubt he drove with that thing on there.
He did.
Yeah, right.
He did.
Tell me all the things that you won't say.
Let's fit this thing on.
Feeling like we vibe right now. Getting right to it, no foreplay. Erasing all the drama like I got right down. 90s girl with a rough past. We been round the block like I got that bus pass. That girl on my mind, her body a must have. I
Damn, son.
Back, it's where you can trust that. Man, she loving how I listen. I've been about my business. I get it, then I
Show you guys what it looks like underneath. A couple of rubber washers. These ones just fit perfect. It's like, yeah, gotta drop it from there. Yo, appreciate it, bro. God damn. Oh yeah, one more thing. So for the pieces here, oh, you know what? I'll just grab them. There's these little divots here that the fellas at Street Fighter put in. So we're just gonna use the cover that's from that side on this side, and we'll just 3M the shit out of it. Now we're officially done. Whew. Street Hunter Wing, number 8 in the world. But I think it actually is the first one in Canada. Or first documented one anyway. There might be like secret builds out there. There's a lot. Like this yellow Lambo that's inside the garage right now, the guy never brings it out. Apparently it just sits at the Lambo dealership. It's like a blessing to have that thing here, man. So I'm really feeding off it. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks so sick.
Big deal, I can do that too. Oh,
Pika.
I'm just gonna take the Supra over into that little corner to get my photos and clips and stuff.
quickly. We gotta crank the tunes, get dancing around.
Oh shit, what the f did I just run over? Right here is okay. Figure this is perfect opportunity. It's golden hour right now, so. And I feel like it's gonna rain soon. Like I see this huge gray cloud over there. That is definitely headed this way. So, while it's still beautiful, I'll take my little clips and maybe a few photos because it's a perfect spot. The spoiler fits immaculately. Again, I want to give a big shout out to TJ and the Street Fighter team for creating a beautiful kit. It's painted, officially installed, I think, yeah, number 8 in the world. And now I'm just really excited to install the rest of the kit, so I think that's gonna happen sooner than later. Let's just end the video, guys. As usual, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button tick, drop some likes, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya!